What's up, guys? Athletic Gamer here. I'm going to play some FIFA 15. It's going to be pretty epic, I think. We're going to start Ultimate Team. Yes, I've already started the career, but I think we can also do that too. Downloading the latest updates. Indeed it is. I got this game for Christmas. It's an awesome game. Really stressed to get it. And I hope you guys like this FIFA 15 because this is my first video for it. So, congratulations, you've downloaded the latest available single player squad update for the FIFA Ultimate Team. See what I did there? I did that. You guys should be very proud of me. I got an award already. Well, loading screens though. Choose a security question. What? Which street did you live on and had your first job? School did you attend in 8th grade? What is your oldest sibling's middle name? Sure, I'll do this. Retype my answer. What are they trying to make me do? Hopefully I spelled it right. Submit your security question answer. So never share my middle name with anyone, or my sister's middle name. Alright. Oh. Let me turn this up.
To get started, learn the basics of building chemistry, and play a special one-off match.
Who do I want? I kinda want him. I kinda want him. Alright, I'm random. I am seriously doing this random. Proof. What do I get? Yes! Yes! Oh! Yeah! I got Howard.
In FIFA Ultimate Team, you'll build squads and focus on creating chemistry.
Okay. Yep. I believe you. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm definitely listening to you right now. Oh, actually I should do it. I know. I'm that good. Yeah, there is a red lane. Okay, let's switch them up. Well done. Good job. I did. I'm really good at that. Yep. Which team am I on? Am I this team? Did I pick the right team? Hazard 11's upcoming opponents. Who am I versing? That's my opponent? Or is that my team? That's my opponent. Who am I versing? Oh. Well, the day could be better, but... No. How dare you? No. Good thing I got an epic goal. What the heck?
With a high chemistry rating. To reach for it, slid into the tackle. Sturridge.
Go for it. Go for it. What? What? Crap. Yes, it's corner. Oh, I know, I'm sucking.
Romelu Lukaku.
No.
Great tackling technique to win the ball cleanly.
Oh.
Good forward play from them. Good cross it.
Crap!
Blocking done well. Clean save.
Such a good play.
And that's a touch of the Alan Smith. A lovely headed touch.
No.
It's the goalkeeper's ball. Everyone recognises that.
Ah. Oh, I thought I got that. Fail.
Eden Hazard.
Him. Oh, no. No. Oh, what a play.
Hey, there's
No.
the back heel.
Not like this. Not like this. No. Crap. Oh, boo. That was actually a good play. Good job.
It's 1-0.
I'm going for it. Going for it. Going for it. What? How did that not go out? That was my whole plan. No, I got beat out massive back there. Oh, mate. Not really. Damn it. I did not mean to do that. Ah, penalty.
Individual, the player who really is catching
Yeah.
the eye in this game.
No.
Yeah, and he's getting the best
No, I didn't do that.
around him as well, and
Oh,
feeding
I guess I
him.
did.
They look for each other.
Mate. Oh, Deek. 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 Bengals. What? I kicked that. What? I so kicked that. This my guy is so what? I just got outplayed.
Dembele. Romelu Lukaku. Robin van Persie.
Oh, what a good
Now on
play.
the tackle. Diego Costa
Yes,
will be a free kick.
deserved.
Sliding in and taking his part in the game into a dangerous territory, really. What it is, he saw the ball and he thought he could win it, but just a fraction off.
What? What? Unfair.
On Koscielny.
Crap.
Able to make
Didn't see that
the
guy.
interception.
Damn.
Moussa Dembele.
No. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh,
Well, this attack
yeah.
got a bit of menace to it.
Yes! Yes! Yeah! Oh, that's how you do it.
Level backing again at 1-1. Robin van Persie.
No. No. Unfair. Pass. Oh, I got
Robin
made.
van Persie. In a challenge. Good one.
I just ran right past him. No. No. I see a goal coming.
Well. Tries his luck.
Oh, okay.
That's a shot.
I got lucky. I got very, very lucky. Should I go for it? Nah.
Debuchy.
I did not mean to pass it to him.
Looking good this move. Chance for it.
What? You missed it by an inch.
Better way. He's just put it wide.
You outplayed everyone.
He's done everything right apart from the final.
What? No.
Eden Hazard
I'm gonna do a sliding rampage. Oh, never mind.
comes the challenge. It could be it.
That was a trip.
Will be their try. Diego Costa.
Was that not a trip? Was that not a trip?
Robin van Persie.
Please, someone tell me that was not a trip.
This could be a chance.
Yeah.
Mehmet Yildiraz, who's having a good look at it. He's seen something he doesn't really like. That ball is definitely on the move, and it shouldn't be allowed to do that. And the goalkeeper able to catch the free kick.
And, oh, I won't lose. I'm at 1-1. I might lose, but like I'm not guaranteed a loss. Oh, no. Yeah.
Great tackle.
Arriba.
On the attack here.
What? How did nobody on my team get that? Yes. Well deserved.
Well, now it's 2-1.
Oh, was that 2 goals for him? No. How did that guy get through it? How did he dangle me? I am an expert. How did he get through me? I'm an expert. How did he get through me? I'm an expert. No, no. Don't do this. Not to me. To someone else. You too, peasants. Oh, yeah. Break away. Break away. What? What? Wow. You shouldn't miss those.
He deserved better at the end of it. He should have worked the keeper at least more than he did.
You shouldn't miss those.
Romelu Lukaku into the face of the opposition.
Ah. 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 Ah.
They've got to keep the ball better than this because just give away.
Oh, I thought I got a penalty for hitting it with my face.
That's the whistle. 2-1 is the score at this stage.
Wow. 2-1, and I'm winning.
Reach half-time with a score
Told you I was an expert. I'm like the pro of
45
pros.
minutes
Like,
to go.
watch me score here.
Start the second half.
Oh. That happened. I thought I was going to score. Oh. Yeah. For the win. Why would you kick it that way?
Tackle.
You better get that, boy.
Here is the
Crap.
corner for them. Just trailing by the 1.
How did you fail that? You had one job in life. And it was not to suck. I want you to get him. Ha! What? I get that? Oh.
Romelu Lukaku.
Down the side, boys. Oh. How did you miss?
And it looked as though he was going to score so close. Big snap at Allen.
Well, he did everything right, or 9/10 right at least, just that final finish, but managing.
Now they're behind. They've got to
Oh my.
switch things around. And here comes a substitution. Enjoying watching them play, and they enjoy.
Oh, my own
working
guy got
together.
through.
Yeah, they do, and
How
there's
myself.
nothing better, I think, when you enjoy coming into work and on that training ground, you have a good laugh.
No.
It
No.
does transfer itself onto a match day. You get results.
Good passing here.
I want the defense to just... How does he still have it? What? I scored on myself! I scored on myself!
Oh, what a shocking moment for the player. Look at him, he's distraught.
Well, now
Oh,
Velasquez
my.
taking that. The own goal out of nothing. The opposition back off. They could be in trouble. The ball gets to here. Back off the post.
No.
That will be a throw.
No.
I think the
No.
coach will be considering his options on the bench. Looking for Toure. And he has
I am
cleared the danger.
pissed. I scored on myself.
The cross is in.
Oh, I thought that was going to get knocked in. Surprise! Oh. I am mad now. I'm going to go on for it. All in one and one for all.
That's Fabregas.
How did you not get that?
Alexis Marcus
No,
Sanchez.
I'm gonna end up losing because I scored on myself.
Here's Fabregas.
That was the first time I've ever scored on myself.
They've got the ball.
In FIFA 15.
Diego Costa. And that's being judged by the officials as offside. Look
What?
it up. Diego Costa.
Meg. Not really.
Here's a chance to attack.
No, why didn't he score on himself, huh?
But the away manager
Game.
indicating he wants to make a substitution now.
Oh,
Robin van Persie.
I got timbered.
Moussa Dembele. The defender easily swept aside. That's a real tussle for the ball there.
Oh, oh. What? He pushed.
Chance for it. That's courageous goalkeeping. To come out with a boot.
This is a good
So
goalkeeper.
important for the modern day keeper to adopt a good starting position.
Well,
and
he
to
is
act
one
as
of the best goalkeepers in the world.
Sweetener for that back four. It's one back.
Yeah, I do not want to go to shootouts. Shootouts are too risky.
Well, he's
If you
been
go
in a
anyway.
good position. They've worked this attack. Opportunity here.
What?
The decision is a corner here.
Deserve.
Well, it could be that decisions like this will decide the game. We're going to see a tactical substitution here, I'm sure, to try and turn this draw into a win. That's a chance to attack in numbers.
What?
And it's going to be his throw here. Oh, Costelli. Corner now.
Mm. Oh, what? How did he save that?
Defender heads
No.
the ball a long way.
No. No.
It's going to go right to the
No.
final whistle
No,
here.
no, 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 no.
With so little between
No.
these two teams who produced such an
No.
excellent contest.
No. Yes. Yes. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Could be dangerous.
No.
Goes to the tackle.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yeah. That's what I want to see.
Great chance. That could have been the foul. In with the shot. Failed to hit the target.
What? Ah. So close. So close. That probably
Got
hurt.
the ball in the middle of the pitch here. This could be a chance. In the clear here. Goalkeeper out quickly. He's just plunged onto the ball.
Howard, get that out of there.
class
Nice.
from him, and really did help out
Oh, I
his
thought that was going to
defenders
go past him.
And it's presented to the player by the opposition. It's looking good, this move. What a chance here. Here's the chance. Hit the bar.
The bar! It's the last thing I want to happen
Add
is
on
a bar.
2 extra minutes. They're looking for a winner still. Got to be.
Yes! Oh, yes! Look at that! Oh, 2 minutes left!
A winning goal in
Yes, that's what I want to see.
Shot now if we saw any more action. But don't discount it. Well, I wasn't sure we were going to get a winner here. This lad retained his belief and kept a cool head.
Yeah, let's get another one, boys.
Strong tackle.
Let's get another one. Just get another one. Let's increase our lead.
Chance for it. End of the chance.
Well, we wished. GG. Very close game. Too close. Well, wow. Well, that's going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
No, there are several.
Boo.